Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. Last week, we introduced a 3S direct power servo for you guys. And this week, we'll introduce 4S direct power. So this one is SW-2294. Okay, this week we'll introduce a 4X direct power servo for you guys. And this one is a SW-2294. So this one is 4S direct, so you can use in 16 volt. The spec in 16 volt will be 0.11 and 75 kilogram, 1041 ounce inch. And also the cable length will be the same, it's 45 centimeters. And you can have a power connect and signal connect. And this one is also under the testing. So right now we will send out for our qual driver to testing. After that, we will start to mass production. Please follow our Instagram and Facebook for more information. We'll keep updating the news for you guys.
Why is direct power?
Oh, the direct power is not come from the BEC. Its power is come from the battery directly.
Why is 3S and 4S?
The 3S and 4S is a 3-cell and 4-cell LiPo battery. So the 3S is mean 12.6 volt and 4S is mean 16.8 volt.
When will these servos be available?
These two servos is under testing right now, so we already send out for driver to testing. I believe will be available around March. So if you are interested, please follow our Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thank you.
Thank you.